Hey guys, and it's finally here. No more rumors or reports. This is the first look of the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and the S22 Ultra, which might even be called as Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. So much stuff has happened in the past 24 hours. Once again, OnLeaks is the man. He's been spot on for so many years when it comes to the leaks. What you're looking at right now is fully based on the official factory CAD information, which is usually mostly right, but compared to the actual official product, there may still be slight differences. As both Universe and OnLeaks have pointed out on Twitter that this could actually be the design of the S22 Ultra, another design that's in the pipeline. Samsung is experimenting with the camera positioning, but overall, the design, the look, and of course, the major decision that Samsung is taking regarding the Note series is pretty much confirmed. Holy moly, Samsung has listened to all of us. We did it, guys. We made enough voice for Samsung to know that there is still a lot of love for the Note family, which made them rethink their decision, and turns out the S22 Ultra is almost a Note 22 Ultra. In fact, they're not even sure about the name yet. It might even be called as Note 22 Ultra. It's a full-on squarish Note-looking phone with a built-in S Pen. In my opinion, this should have been done since last year. The Ultra model should have been a Note phone, but better late than never. We'll also take a look at the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus later on in the video, which also got leaked just today. But first, let's talk about the S22 Ultra. So looking at the front, we have a roughly 6.9 inch, close to 6.9 inch screen, and it's looking very much similar as the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. In my opinion, it's like the best front design that you can have on a traditional smartphone. You can also notice the front camera there, which means there won't be an under display camera on this phone. That is the right decision because the quality out of these under display cameras are not that good. Now the screen is mostly flat. It just has a slight curve on the side just to give it a full-on bezel-less look. As we talked about before, Samsung's applying a new border reduction technology which will help them reduce that bottom bezel even more. Now speaking of the bottom, if you look at the bottom of the phone, you can see the S Pen is indeed back. The positioning is very similar to how it looks on a Galaxy Note smartphone. Now looking at the camera bump, this is where a lot of people have mixed opinion. We have a brand new P-shaped quad camera system. As always, Samsung's goal is to stand out compared to the competition, which is why they are trying to achieve a different look. I gotta say right now, I'm not a huge fan of this P-shaped camera look, but let me know what you think about this in the comments below. As always, this might turn out to be really pretty on the official product with the colors and everything. Or if Samsung is not sure about this, we might actually see this design on the S22 Ultra / Note 22 Ultra. Now let's take a look at the design of the base Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. These phones are largely similar to last year's model, or I should say this year's models, the S21 and S21 Plus. Samsung is still using a triple camera system, and the camera bump has a slight change compared to last year's model. Instead of last year's rounding on the side camera bump design, the bump on the Galaxy S22 is now separated. As for the colors, we'll still have color coordinated camera bump sides as shown in the render, and for the front we have the punch hole towards the middle. Nothing that much changed, just seems like the bezels are gone a little slimmer. Both S22 Plus and S22 have similar designs, it's just the difference of the size. Speaking of the size, the Galaxy S22 will have about 6-inch display. It's going to be Samsung's smallest flagship phone in years. And then of course for the S22 Plus we have a 6.5-inch screen, which is smaller than the 6.7-inch screen of the Galaxy S21 Plus. All devices will have 120Hz refresh rate. So there we go, the first look at the Galaxy S22 lineup. Apparently the Note is coming back, and we may see the S22 Ultra being called as Note 22 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you happy with the P-shaped camera design, or do you think that Samsung should use the design that Universe showed off? Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.